Here's a sneak peek into this week's episode of Snap Happy, the photography show.
I met Russell Brown 20 years ago. He's the creative director at Adobe in the USA. He helps photographers learn about using tools like Lightroom and Photoshop.
We are taking the opportunity here to capture some amazing photographs, and I personally am capturing photographs with only mobile devices. Phones and 360 cameras, something that doesn't require a backpack. That's what we're here for. It's all about photography.
We're now in Buenos Aires and we're off on a tango shoot. It's one of my favourite things to do in this beautiful city. We've got professional models and we're going to photograph them in a street scene and the famous La Boca area. We've specially organised this. It doesn't happen generally, and if you're coming to Buenos Aires, I highly recommend it. For us, this is a great photographic opportunity. We're keeping it really simple, and we're actually using the doorway entrance to the market as our light source. Lovely soft light with a beautiful backdrop.
A lot of people really love astrophotography, photographing the stars, but you require a moonless night. And I think many people are missing out on what can be as equally attractive as shooting the stars, and that's shooting by the light of the moon.
So you're not always able to use scaffolding, but what we are is we're right up against the fence. I'm tall, I can lean over the top, but I'm standing on top of my photographic case. And here we go, we're coming around for one more shot. Lightning fast.
Don't forget to visit our website and sign up to the mailing list for all the latest offers and details on our new photo competition, exclusive to Snap Happy viewers. Happy shooting!